When your Max Rebar tire isn't performing at its best, it can slow down your entire project. But finding someone who knows how to fix it, that's the real challenge. At Tool Ranch, we're proud to be the only local service provider in the region who specializes in Max Rebar tire repairs. Our expert technicians have the specialized knowledge and tools to diagnose and repair any issue, ensuring your tool is back to peak performance. From simple tune-ups to complex diagnostics and repair, we handle it all with precision. Being local provides you with very little downtime and faster turnaround when larger repairs are needed. Trust the experts at Tool Ranch. We keep your tools and your projects running smoothly. Don't settle for less. Trust the trained experts who know these tools inside and out. If your Max Rebar tire is not able to be repaired and you need replacement, Tool Ranch is an authorized dealer and we always have stock in both tools and wire. We're here for you when you need us most. Give us a call today to talk to our knowledgeable salespeople or visit us online at thetoolranch.com.